That sounded crazy. What the fuck was that? What is up? Welcome back to another video. This video is a little different. We are doing we're going to a car meet. So far the cops kicked us out at 2 spots already, so we're on our way to the 3rd location. But this Mustang and this Beamer up here, yeah, they're wilding out. I don't know. We came out here, I mean, all 3 of us, me, Jake, Terrence, we're about an hour away from home. So, you know, we would like to get what we came out here for. I think there's gonna be some cool shit, so I'll see y'all soon. Bro, what the? I like this. I like this, bro. This is the one you're talking about?
Yeah, this right here take you to Gapplebee's. This little Corolla.
Yeah. Yeah, that don't fuck me up. Think so? I would never run that thing in my life. Damn it, maybe that's next year. So we got an Evo here. Silvia here. S2K right here. Insane. Yo.
I give it 10 minutes.
See his wheels? Ooh. What the hell was that?
Bro, this is nice and shit. That blue tower over there is a cop tower right there. See that blue one? Like they're gonna have a heck of a
This is
No. No. It's all the way down right now. It's aired out. You have to wait for it to air up. I don't know about all that. By the time it airs up, you... So where are we going to eat?
This shit is nice.
That's like, this is probably
God damn.
I wonder, is this the M series one? Or is this just a...
This the goodbye series.
That's, yeah. Is that a
leave? He leaving your ass.
Mad, but I like what he did though. Look at the outside. It looks like an old BMW, and then or he driving. All he hears just off.
60, I got like a fucking drive shaft like vibration. I'm hoping it's drive shaft. I'm hoping it's not another fucking axle or something else. But like, I've only probably put like 100 miles on it since I originally crashed it.
Damn.
So yeah, even though like the one kid, he's got whatever it is, fucking M54. He's like, want to race? How much? I'm like, no, I just want to make it home. Like, I'm missing a side skirt. I'm missing a lip. I'm like, things get every time I fucking things.
See the fucking muffler on that Silvia, bro?
No.
Yo guys, that is gonna do it for the video. I had a lot of fun. That was my first car meet ever that was like that. I saw a bunch of dope cars. Never seen a Silvia in person before, so that was really dope to see one, especially one that looked like that and as nice as it was. Yeah, it was a little hectic. Cops were everywhere, you know, because people were doing dumb shit. You can't control what other people do. So unfortunately, everybody else had to deal with the cops. But we finally got to the location where you guys saw the big lot where the S2K was at, the Evo, the Beamer with the fat turbo. On IG, the account said that the meet would start at 7:30. We didn't get to that spot probably until like 11. Every spot was just getting shut down. Cops were everywhere. Got to the spot around like 11. So it was a long night. I was tired, but I have fun. Whoever runs these does them like every weekend, so I'm definitely going to be going back. I'm going to be getting content anyway, so if this is something you guys enjoyed and if it's something you would want to see more of, let me know down in the comments, because I'm going to be going anyway, and I'm going to be bringing my camera and you know, just recording. I just want to say before I get off here, I apologize for the audio. It was horrible. I don't know what's going on with my mic. I don't know if I had one of the buttons clicked wrong or it wasn't plugged in all the way. It could have just been because everything was so loud. Appreciate you guys if you watched the video, and like always, drive safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.